Let's be real, waiting for your hair to grow can be so frustrating. I've been there, trying everything and still not seeing results. But over time, I discovered a few things that actually work. So today, I'm sharing 20 simple tips that can help you grow your hair faster and healthier. Let's keep it real, straightforward, and easy to follow. Let's get into it. 1. Massaging your scalp improves blood circulation, which boosts hair growth. Do it daily for 5 minutes. 2. Apply coconut oil, castor oil, or rosemary oil to your scalp. These oils nourish your roots and speed up growth. 3. Hot water strips your scalp of natural oils. Use lukewarm or cold water instead. 4. Use a gentle scalp scrub weekly to remove dead skin and product buildup. 5. Overwashing can dry out your hair. Stick to 2 to 3 washes a week. 6. Sulfates damage hair and make it frizzy. Choose a gentle, sulfate-free shampoo instead. 7. Don't skip the conditioner. It locks in moisture and protects your strands. 8. Minimize heat tools like straighteners and curling irons. If you must use them, always apply a heat protectant. 9. Cutting split ends every 6 to 8 weeks prevents breakage and keeps your hair growing longer. 10. Rinse your hair with rice water once a week. It's rich in amino acids that strengthen and grow your hair. 11. Apply fresh aloe vera gel to your scalp for 20 minutes before washing. It's soothing and promotes growth. 12. Yes, onion juice smells, but it works. Apply it to your scalp for 30 minutes and rinse. It boosts hair follicles. 13. Cotton pillowcases can cause friction and breakage. Satin or silk is smoother and better for your hair. 14. Detangle your hair gently with a wide-tooth comb to avoid breakage. 15. Hairstyles that pull your hair too tightly can cause damage. Go for loose styles instead. 16. Hair grows about ½ an inch a month. Stick to these tips, and you'll see results over time. 17. Your hair needs protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. Focus on eggs, spinach, nuts, and fish. They're like superfood for your hair. 18. Dehydration weakens your hair strands. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your hair and scalp hydrated. 19. Stress is a hair killer. Try yoga, meditation, or even a quick walk to keep stress away and your hair happy. 20. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. It's during sleep that your body repairs and promotes healthy hair growth. That's it. 20 secrets to growing your hair faster and healthier. Which tip are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tips.
See you next time.